జిల్లాలోని చిందాల్ స్టీల్ ప్లాంట్ కు అధికారులతో కలిసి సీఎం చంద్రబాబు భూమి పూజ చేశారు. 16,350 కోట్ల వ్యయంతో 2 దశల్లో ప్లాంట్ నిర్మాణం చేపట్టనున్నారు. మొత్తం 7,500 మందికి ఉపాధి అవకాశాలు కల్పించనున్నారు. 2028 నాటికి మొదటి దశ పూర్తయ్యేలా ప్రణాళిక చేశారు.
I will work on that.
Yeah, you work it out.
Yes, sir.
You send me details.
I will.
I will also go through.
Okay.
Then we will build the best.
Yes, sir. Perfect. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
Great idea.
Thank you.
Sir, this is the drone which we are manufacturing in Hyderabad for the defense. This is for his major.
I'm Commander Srikanth. I'm ex-naval Indian Navy, and then I've joined JSW. So this particular drone is called VBAT, and it is in a joint venture with Shield AI, which is a Texas-based company. Presently, manufacturing will be commencing soon in Hyderabad, and we are the manufacturing partners for Shield AI. The drone is mainly used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, and it can go up to a height of about 18,000 feet, can fly up to 1,200 kilometers with SATCOM capabilities. And it is mainly used for by defense forces for intelligence surveillance. Can be fitted with a EOIR camera, sir, on the nose, and with a radar on the belly, and it can fly up till 12 hours of it has an endurance.
And it can take off from the truck.
And
from the back of the truck, this can take off, or from the ship.
And from a ship, sir, from a moving platform, it can take off and land. It takes off vertically, does the entire mission horizontally, and then lands
How
back.
far you are very strong in drone technology?
Sir, as of now, we are good, sir. We have the technology for...
Not only this, what I am asking, both civilian application and defense application, both we have to work together. I started Drone City itself.
Oh.
Is in Orvakallu, in between Ballari and here.
Sir, we are
okay.
presently flying from Orvakal, sir. We are JSW
That
is
is
the
what
first
I am
company.
asking you.
Yes, sir.
Why can't you start both commercial and pilots training, everything?
Training already we started from Oracle, sir. Training for this one.
Training we are doing manufacturing. Manufacturing also if you can start from
20 ఎకరాలు
Oracle.
అడిగారు సార్ ఎక్కువ అడగబడి
We should have gone there
20
only.
ఎకరాలు అడిగారు ఎక్కువ అడగబడి
No, 20 or 50 acres I am prepared to give. You make it drone your hub.
Yeah.
That is the future. Even transportation of all our vegetables, fruits,
Should happen with drone.
అంబులెన్స్ అంబులెన్స్ ట్రైనింగ్
That is the future.
Even I am working ambulance,
Ambulance.
drone ambulance, and also transport drone taxi.
Oh, drone taxi within the city.
Now I want to make in Amaravati. There is some helipads.
Okay.
There, drone helipad. Anybody can drop there and then they will move.
Yeah.
సార్ డ్రోన్ సిటీ ఆల్సో సార్ హెస్ టోల్డ్ టు బిల్డ్ 1 kilometer airstrip, sir. We have an airstrip available, so that is an advantage because you can test there
In
only.
future.
Correct. In that.
Drone city, Kurnool, and it's a separate
Oracle
airspace
you are
we are
using.
creating.
Yes, sir.
There I am making.
It's a
also.
separate airspace, sir. Up to you can go up to 10,000 meters.
Okay.
Separate airspace we are creating.
Future is drones.
Yeah.
Future is space and electronics.
Yeah.
Aerospace.
Correct.
You are having patience. You concentrate to aerospace.
Aerospace. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your administration, sir. We could get the Kurnool base operational in a record time.
Yeah.
And it is the only base which is operational in India.
No, I want to make it real time. We will.
Yeah.
Yes,
Soon.
yes, yes.
We'll make it out.
Please.
No, you be in touch our people.
Yes,
You
sir.
put that.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, sir, you will.
Yes, sir.
Come.
All the 3 plants are inaugurated, sir. Steel, energy, and the industrial park.
Yes. Very nice.
Yes.
Good beginning.
Yes, sir.
Lot to be done.
Yeah, lots to be done. This is for group.
గ్రూప్ ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ సెషన్ లో పాల్గొంటారు ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు మరియు శ్రీ సజ్జన్ జిందాల్ గారు, శ్రీ భూపతిరాజు శ్రీనివాస్ వర్మ గారు, శ్రీ మాధవ్ గారు, అలాగే ఇతర అతిథులు. JSW టీం అందరితో గ్రూప్ ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ లో పాల్గొంటున్నారు ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు. ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ జోన్ ని వీక్షించి ప్రారంభోత్సవ కార్యక్రమంలో పాలు పంచుకుని ఈ ప్రధాన వేదిక మీదకి మరికొద్ది క్షణాల్లో ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు ఇతర అతిథులు రాబోతున్నారు. ప్రజాప్రతినిధులతోటి ఒక గ్రూప్ ఫోటో తీయించుకుంటున్నారు. లేడీస్ అండ్ జెంటిల్మెన్, ఈ రోజు మరి ఇంత ప్రతిష్టాత్మకంగా JSW రాయలసీమ విచ్చేస్తున్నారు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు, ద విజనరీ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ శ్రీ నారా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు, along with the chairman and managing director of JSW, Sri Sachin Jindal ji. It gives us great pleasure to welcome all the dignitaries onto the dais. డిఫెన్స్ కి సంబంధించినటువంటి వాహనాల్ని వీక్షిస్తున్నారు.
last year during flood operations in Punjab. So this vehicle can go to places like marshlands, desert areas, mountainous terrain,
Floods.
and this is primarily used for flood rescue operations. This can run for 65 hours without any refueling, and it has got 330 liters of fuel tank and dual battery for redundancy.
How many you have released as of now?
Sorry, sir.
How many you have produced?
How many
We
vehicles?
have
vehicles.
already produced 124, sir. 96 are running
124
with
is
Indian Army,
available.
with Air Force as well. They're also being operated in UN missions, sir.
So for any civilian application,
Yes, sir. For civil
Punjab
application, for
floods.
rescue and
only
relief
Punjab.
operations.
But Punjab also is given from only from army only, na sir?
No,
No.
Punjab government also taken.
Government has taken.